Welcome to the WatchPAT400 step-by-step guide. This video will show you how to correctly use your WatchPAT400 home sleep apnea test. Before proceeding with your sleep study, make sure you have your phone charger, internet access, WatchPAT400 device. Before setting up the device for your sleep study, remove any tight clothing, jewelry, and accessories. Select a test finger on your non-dominant hand, excluding the thumb. Ensure your selected fingernail is trimmed and free of nail polish or an artificial nail. Download the WatchPAT app to your mobile device, available on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Next, open the app and allow requested permissions. These are necessary for the app to function. Before setting up your WatchPAT400 device, enter your mobile number on the welcome screen. This number will be used to verify your assigned services. You may tap Quick Guide on the Let's Get Started screen for a brief setup guide. When you are ready, tap Let's Go. Remove your WatchPAT400 from the box. Next, turn on the WatchPAT400 device by pressing the button on the WatchPAT device. Tap the right arrow at the bottom of your screen for the next step. Place the WatchPAT400 device on your non-dominant wrist. Make sure it is not too tight or too loose. Tap the right arrow when done. Before placing the chest sensor, if needed, trim your chest hair to ensure the sensor is attached to your skin. Take the chest sensor and direct the cable in through your sleeve and out through the neck opening of your shirt. Remove the white paper from the sticker and attach the sensor to the skin over the center of your upper chest bone. Securing the sensor in place with medical tape is recommended. If you do not have medical tape, you may also use an adhesive bandage. Press the right arrow when done. Insert your selected test finger all the way into the probe of your non-dominant hand. You may use any finger except the thumb. The probe should be inserted so the sticker marquee top is positioned above the fingernail. Hold the probe against a hard surface and slowly pull the top tab towards you to remove it from the probe. Tap the right arrow when done. Make sure your phone is plugged in overnight and not on airplane mode. Now, tap Start Recording to begin your sleep study. Turn off all other transmitting devices in the room, such as other smartphones, smartwatches, and headphones, and unnecessary electronic devices such as an electric blanket or an electric adjustable bed, as they could interfere with the test. Make sure your phone is located no more than 15 feet or 5 meters from WatchPAT400. WatchPAT needs at least 6 hours of recording data for a successful sleep study. If you need to leave the room during your sleep test, keep your phone charging and do not remove the device or the sensors. You're all set. In the morning when you wake up, press the Stop Recording button and wait a few minutes for the device to complete the data transmission. Once data transmission is completed, you will receive a congratulations message. Tap Close App. Remove the chest sensor, probes, and WatchPAT400 device. Repackage the device into the provided packaging and return to your healthcare provider. That's it. Your test is complete. We hope you have found this instructional video useful. If you need any assistance using WatchPAT400, please call Itamar's help desk at 888-748-2627.